Okay, so we had finished the lesson and I hope that you read it thoroughly. Now we are going to look at the question answer section of this chapter. Where were Bertha and Grace studying? Do you remember that? It has been a really long time since I read this story, so I don't have much recollection of that. They were studying in the academy at Dartmouth, right? Dartmouth, that's of course UK based है ये story. तो Dartmouth में जो है वो academy attend कर रहे थे और roommate हैं. Okay, so the next question would be, what kind of nature did Grace have? Okay, Grace has really kind nature. She is very serious. Okay, she is serious. She is quiet, and well, that's it about her nature. Now at first she had felt shy with bright and brilliant Bertha. तो मतलब ये हो गया कि she suffered from an inferiority complex. She had a low self-esteem. Okay, she had a low self-esteem, quite probably. Okay. She felt timid in front of Bertha. Well, yeah, that's also true. I mean, see, like all are very similar in meaning and all could apply in one way or another. That depends on your interpretation as well. But जैसे कहते हैं कि at first she had felt shy with bright and brilliant Bertha. तो at first शुरू में तो मतलब ये हो गया कि वो जो है थोड़ा सा उसका लो सेल्फ एस्टीम हो सकता है इस मामले में. She suffered from an inferiority complex. She felt timid in front of Bertha. Okay, timid. Have some chocolate, Grace, said Bertha gaily. So Bertha is in a sad mood, Grace is in a good mood, Bertha is in a jovial mood. Jovial? How delightful it must be to have friends like that, to love you and plan for you. How delightful it must be to have friends like that, to love you and plan for you. It means that it's nice to have a friend circle to enjoy, right? Aunt Meg informed Bertha through a letter that Grace had become plump and rosy. So that's like improvement in health. Now let us look at this. Read the following statement and write T or F. If the statement is false, write the correct statement. ओके तो डबल काम है, पहले तो ट्रू और फॉल्स बताना है और अगर फॉल्स है तब वो करेक्ट लिखना भी है. Bertha thought it to be really fortunate that the term was almost over as she was nearly bankrupt. Did Bertha really think so? Let us look at that. Okay. Yeah, she was nearly bankrupt. Okay. तो this statement is true, right? उसका पैसा जो है वो almost ख़त्म हो चुका है. Initially, Aunt Margaret had invited both Grace and Bertha for the holidays. No, false. Correct होगा that initially Aunt Margaret had invited Bertha for the holidays. Okay. Grace was to work out of her own willingness. Okay, देखो it was not out of her own willingness, it was more like a compulsion. Okay, Grace had to work out because she had no other choice. She had no family to go back to. Aunt Margaret was perfectly willing to welcome Grace into her house. Okay, till this point we don't know about that. But yeah, she was perfectly willing to welcome Grace into her house. That is clear from her reply to Bertha's answer. So you can go with true with this one. Okay. Bertha transferred her invitation to Grace without Aunt Meg's permission. No, that is false. Bertha transferred her invitation to Grace with Aunt Meg's permission. Aunt Meg always wanted a daughter and intended to adopt Grace. Yeah, that's true. So true, false. A year ago, Bertha and Grace had come to Dartmouth to attend the academy. In what manner were the two girls different from each other? Pick words or phrases from the lesson to show their character traits. Okay, well, for that you will have to look at the story. I will just give you some examples, and very simple one would be like Bertha was a bright, pretty, and popular. Grace was grave, quiet, and dressed in mourning. So इस तरह से जो है और भी बहुत सारे differences हैं. For example, like Bertha has a family, Grace doesn't, right? At the same time, Bertha is also quite considerate, and so is Grace. Bertha is healthy compared to that Grace wasn't healthy in the beginning of the story. So well, these are different things, that there are different contrasts or differences that we could notice there. Why was Grace dressed as she was? Well, probably because she does not have money to buy bright and beautiful dresses and everything, and she tries to manage with whatever she has. How did Bertha celebrate the good news that she received in her letter? I think she brings chocolate for her friend, and actually she spends almost all the money she had left with her. What made Grace wistful? Well, the knowledge that Bertha will be gone for the summer break and she will have no other place to go, and she won't be able to go anywhere, right? Because she didn't have a family. What was the thought that darted into Bertha's brain? The thought that darted into Bertha's brain was to transfer her invitation to Grace. Write the summary of the story in 3 paragraphs. Well, that is one task you will have to do on your own. पहले पार्ट में जो है आप जो है एक काम कर सकते हो कि you can write like this summary in 3 parts, because it's 3 paragraphs. In the first part you can talk about Bertha and Grace, difference in character of Bertha and Grace. And then you can also add their different plans for the summer break. In the second part you will talk about here you can talk about Bertha's decision to transfer the invitation. So you will have to provide that कि क्या process होता है, how she requests Aunt Meg, and then finally Grace can go there, and how happy she feels about that. In part 3 you can just summarize the information presented in both the letters, right? Change in Grace's health and plan for her adoption by Aunt Grace. इसके बारे में बात करोगे, and if you all talk about all 3 aspects, I guess it will be a perfectly it will be a good summary which will include most of the detail. I believe she could not stand 2 months at Clarkman's. What had made Bertha think of this? Well, because Grace is very weak, okay, and well, at Clarkman's place she will have a lot of work to do, and that will be physically impossible for her. Why did Bertha decide that it would be a good idea to send Grace to her aunt's place? What does it convey about Bertha's character? Give appropriate reasons for your answer. Well, first of all, Bertha decided that it would be a good idea to send Grace to her aunt's place because while Bertha has a family where she could stay during the break, Grace doesn't have any such family. And this lack of family, or this absence of family would force Grace to pick up jobs like at Clarkman's, which would be physically impossible for her, right? And she could easily escape that all that trouble or drudgery if she gets a chance to spend the time at Aunt Grace's. What does it convey about Bertha's character? That she is a really true friend who thinks about others' happiness and well-being. Okay, she is not just confined within her own selfish interests. Because of course, like she extends her or shares her, not extends and shares, she transfers her invitation to Grace, even though she was really excited to get that invitation in the first place. Why did Bertha, okay, she was studying her friend's face. What did Bertha notice on Grace's face? Sense of wistfulness, something that yeah, how very pale and thin. Grace looked surely much paler and thinner than when she had come to the academy, and she had not by any means been plump and rosy then. So like when we are talking about like what she is looking for in her face, okay, she notices her paleness, right? How weak, or how weak she appears. I shall have to manage this affair very carefully. What was the affair that had to be managed carefully? The transfer of invitation. Why did Bertha plan the affair? So that Grace could go to so that Grace could go to Aunt Meg's place and spend her summer break there. Was the affair managed carefully? Yes, it was truly. I mean, it was indeed managed carefully, because Bertha managed to convince Grace that Aunt Meg had invited her on her own volition, and it was not some it was not an act or of pity or anything for her. Bertha folded her letters up with a smile. What was written in the letters? That the first letter told her that Grace is, the letters told her that Grace is to be adopted by Aunt Meg, and also that her health has improved a lot. Bertha reacted in this manner because it gives her extreme satisfaction that her small act of sacrifice has greatly enhanced the life possible for Grace. Now let us look at this RTC. What is your good news, may I ask? Who asked this and from whom? I think I think it is Grace who is asking it from Bertha. The good news received by the listener is that invitation. How does the listener react to it? Well, she reacts okay, sure, whatever. You have to find it in the story. Okay, so this RTC you have to do on your own, and it will truly reveal or demonstrate whether you can understand your text properly or not. So give it a crack. Do you appreciate the friendship between Bertha and Grace? Definitely, it is the best kind of friendship you could see. Give reasons? Well, you have to find your reasons. Would you consider Bertha to be a good angel? Of course, her character, the way she acts, it matches the character of most of those good angels or fairies that we have read about, right? It can be, if you have read the story of Cinderella and remember the character of that, good fairy there who helps her find her, Prince Charming or anything. This is like this, right? She sacrifices something, she extends some favor, and as a result, Grace has got a beautiful home, right? So, that is it for this lesson. You have got, conversation writing exercise here, so you can give it a try. And next lesson we will look at the poem The Shed. Okay, bye bye then, have fun.